Mic lock. Mic trigger. Button. Empty. Empty card. Empty card. 0. Finish. Artist name. Artist name. Finish record. 0. 4. Finish record.
Okay, I am back. I just have to put my phone on the recharger. Oh, what time is it?
5:32.
5:32 and I still haven't received a bloody phone call.
Screen locked. Voiceover off.
Oh, fuck these NDIS people, I tell ya. Fuck them. Damn it. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a cooking recording, so yeah. Oh geez, all of that. I still haven't downloaded those videos that I've saved, but of course I'm going to download them tonight. So yeah, if you guys haven't actually seen any, well, my other 2 videos that I've done this afternoon, it's because they are in my camera that haven't even been downloaded yet. So that will be happening soon. And yeah, I can't wait!
1:30. Empty card 1. Mic trick.
Okay.
Mic lock. Button.
I've got a news to Boss Jock Jr. It's basically a music studio app, and you can use it for recording music, you can use it for recording memos. It has a mic, and it's got a trigger and a lock button. So it's basically a microphone with 2 buttons, and the trigger is you hold the mic button with your finger, and when you lift your finger off the screen it releases the mic and pauses the recording. And the mic lock is double tap the button to record and double tap to release. And the trigger is the other button. You double tap and hold the button with your finger to record, and you lift your finger to release. So it's basically both a music recorder and a memo recorder, which is good.
Mic lock. Button. Mic lock. Mic trigger.
Okay, I'm back. Eat bloody. Make a bloody cup of Milo in a minute. What am I going to do this afternoon? I'm going to use the microwave, that's for fucking sure. Right. Shit. Right. Okay, I'm using the microwave, that is for sure. Now, I'm going to get my whistling kettle and I'm going to boil some water in the microwave because, yes, somebody told me that I can, hang on, how do I do this? Oh, you lift the thing up like that, okay. Yes, someone told me I can do that. Whoops. Okay. I think it's, how many cups of milk in pasta? It's 1.5 cups of hot, okay. So, make it about, hang on, get a measuring cup out. Open it anyway. Where is it? Oh, shit. Okay, come here. Right. I was told that when I'm doing pasta, I can measure out exact cup levels into my whistling kettle and boil it. Hey, yeah. So I can boil the bloody thing. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, no more stupid bullshit with me because my OT is, yeah, fucking awesome. Now, she did say I should try and use a 1/2 cup, but if I can make a really good guess, then a good guess is better than nothing, but I really should be using a half cup measurement in case I measure it wrong, which I agree with her, but she also understands that I do what makes me comfortable, and if I have to be very exact by precise measurements, then yes, maybe it is better that I measure out 1 cup than half cup. But for now, yeah, for now I'm just doing what works and going to leave it at that, really. So, while I'm boiling that, water, I'm going to measure okay, where's the butter? That one. Wait, hang on. I don't think I need that other butter out. Or the teaspoon, I don't believe. Let me wash that glass container as well. I do. So, when the thing whistles, then I will know that it's ready to come out. Okay, so that's a good amount of butter. It's okay. Then I have to wash this container out. And I'm going to get some sugar tomorrow, so I'm going to have hot chocolate in the morning. And yeah, to wait for that to whistle. I can't wait to do cooking. Excuse me, better off out than in, as they say. Not that I mean to do it, but this milk is going a bit. Okay, that's plenty of milk. It's going to whistle in a minute, I hope. There we go. Okay. That's how it whistles when it's boiling. Then you simply turn it off. Clean up the mess. This makes cooking less stressful and more enjoyable. There. Right. So, then I've got to get the packet of pasta. Put it on the bench where I can find it. Get the thing out of my microwave. Oh, it's hot. Very hot. Very hot. You get it out and you tip the water in. Yeah, it's going to be boiling. It's going to be very hot. Very, very hot. So I might just very boiling hot. Shit. Damn it. Okay. Okay. That over that way. Oh, shit. Damn it. Now I'm going to cut this pasta open. Okay. Tip that in. Be ready for a massive Manamon battle on Sunday. I'm going to make sure my Manamon are trained up for that. So that way I can't say, oh, this isn't working. Because it will, it'll work. It'll work. We'll mix this together. Okay. Then without the lid being on, I'm going to put it in the microwave for, I might do 9 minutes, a bit like with rice I think. Okay. I've turned it off. What did I do that for? You know what? When I get a talking microwave, my life is going to be so much easier. It's just going to be so much fucking easier to get a talking microwave. I'll know when I've turned it off, when I've done too much cooking, or not too much cooking, but if I put something in for too long, I'm going to know about it. It's not just going to be a, did I just do that? You know, like, oh, it'll be so much fucking easier. So yeah, while I'm doing that, I can do the fucking dishes. Yep. And I've cleaned up my mess. Yay! I don't feel horrible about cooking. Yay! Actually, no, I won't, because maybe that. Oh, I don't know. I do not know. Somehow it's easier putting it in a bowl and then I don't make a mess everywhere. Okay. Right. Okay. And that's my whistling kettle. I can just give it a quick wash out. Put it up here. Let it dry off a bit. Fucking stupid. Fucking cunt. Dickhead fucking thing. Some frustration, but not as severe. You imagine if I had to cook a lot of fucking veggies on the fucking stove. God damn it. Damn it! Damn it! That would just be too much for me. Too fucking much. No, I don't fucking like that. Yes, that would be better, maybe. Fuck. Damn it. Okay. All this other shit away. Fuck. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Now, getting the sink ready for all the dishes. Then I don't have to go away. Oh, it smells like bloody fish there. There we go. Here's a place of really good food here. It smells like bloody fish. Yeah, I can actually do this fucking dishes while I wait for the microwave. To some of my subscribers who listen regularly, it'll be amazing when you get to hear me doing a lot of cooking recordings without me freaking out. It'll be really good. Because yeah, I can do some things on the stovetop. Sometimes. Sometimes will be better than none of the time. Or burning myself most of the time. That's basically what it comes down to. You know? So, yeah. I can't fucking wait to get this sorted. Get rid of all those containers so I didn't want them on there, so I just took them all off, like that. Don't want them. You don't want something, you chuck it off onto the ground. Get sick of shit. I'm going to chuck them all in the bin. I'm absolutely serious. So, I'll be training up all of my Manaman creatures starting from tomorrow. I need a good rest tonight. And then I can do this stupid fight on Sunday. Well, I'm hoping it'll be on Sunday. I say that it'll be a Sunday that I fight these Manamon battles, but it also depends on how often or how much I tend to be socialising on Sunday. Who knows what is going to happen? Who knows? Honestly, who knows? So, with all that said, I'm getting letters written up for my next plan review. I need, specific stuff to be written out. And I found out I don't need an application for these meal services. It's just that the LAC was too stupid to write it down in my next review that I want meal delivery services. Yeah, basically I'm very happy with the outcome that I'll finally be getting meal services put into my new plan, because it needs to happen, it needs to be sorted, like ASAP, right now. It needs to be sorted right now, Otherwise, nothing will be getting done about meal services, and every single year they say, oh, you've got to support worker cooking for you. Well, no, I want more independence with cooking. Yeah, I don't like it when people tell me what I want or what I don't want. I just don't think that's necessary. I just don't think that's necessary at all. Telling me what I want, telling me what I don't want. It's not up to everyone else. Oh shit, I don't do this fast. Okay. That's one thing I don't want, is for this fucking glass to break. There we go. Got it. Oops. Oh, that's my bowl. Okay. It stinks. This away because it won't stay there much longer. Okay. Go. All that close, yes. Boom. There we go, kicked it out of the road. It's better. I'm not fixing them. Okay. This box stinks. Take the new one. It stinks. Okay. Mix it up a bit for another 4 minutes, I believe. Then I'm going to set up another lot of dishwater. Well, I want all these dishes done before tonight, before I go to bed, so that I can go to sleep peacefully. Yep. Oh, fucking Jesus! Where is it? There we go, that's better. Now, put that in the bowl.
Card favor, 70%. Adjustable.
Container. Shut up, voiceover. So fucking hot today. Damn it. Now, where did all those lids go? Oh, they went somewhere. Let me find it, they went somewhere. Now, somewhere where they are. Throw those containers in the bin too, because they're no use whatsoever. That's one extra lid. 2 extra lids. That's the head mate. Okay. The other lid's gone. Hurry up in the fridge. Okay. Oh, really, really hot. God. God. Perfect. One more minute for this.
WordPress. Now. John posted on Writers in the Storm. My Fragile Heart. A bad book review.
Which voiceover
Speech
will
off.
shut the hell up. So. Don't worry about those dishes tomorrow morning because can't do. I'll have to do them tonight though. Found it. So the containers and lids went everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Everywhere. Lids went everywhere. Good old occupational therapist. Very, very good. So that. Then make me a drink while I'm waiting for that to go cold. Right. I think I might just get a glass of water. I think, and I'll get some fish to put in the things. Okay, tuna. Yum. Yum. Very, very nice. That is my dinner well cooked. I'm now going to drink some water here because I don't want to really sit outside with water. I'll just drink it down here. And take my dinner outside. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Just got to clean my outside table, then I will be back. Okay, so right, now I can stop this recording and take my dinner outside. I have another glass of water because I'm leaving it stays hot. This is how easy it is to cook a feed in the microwave. And I could put some tuna in it. I must say I prefer tuna over sardines. I think I'll just get tin tuna from now on, but that's me, that's my opinion. So, yeah, I will upload these videos later. When I've finished eating and just relaxing generally, I'll upload these videos. And I will do another game upload on Sunday. I'm hoping, if it isn't Sunday, it's going to be Monday, definitely. But I'm hoping to have free time on Sunday if I'm not socialising with the whole neighbourhood. If I am, that would just be too bad. I'll have to put this off till Monday, because with these role-playing games, you've got to level your creatures up. And just above your challengers, is with an S, challengers, otherwise you're stuffed. So, or you'll have a hard time of it, either way. So yeah, and in Manamon 1, I'm still leveling up my creatures there, so I'll be right with that for now. And I guess until I set up another game recording, I guess I'll do other recordings in the meantime. So yeah, I'll be back on here at some point tomorrow for a general recording.
Speech mic lock button. Empty. 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 Finish. Artist. Finish. 40. Finish recording. Button.